Welcome to a brief introduction to mobile apps and product showrooms and how these things can work today. Would you agree it's time for new solutions to sell your stuff, take control of your own future, get higher margins, and have more interaction with your customers and their assets? I think so. The reality today is dealers only sell a small percentage of what they originally sell. Auction companies sell a very small percentage, and the private party transactions, 90 to 95%, that happen oftentimes off the radar, as you know, are where the money's at. So let's talk about how to capitalize on that. Here's some facts. It's hard to gather and organize information about your equipment. It's hard to know how much your equipment is worth. You don't have a long list of qualified buyers willing to pay top dollars, and if the process were easier to sell, you'd at least think about that. Ask yourself, is this you? Do you want to sell your own equipment directly? Do you know how to evaluate and price equipment, more importantly? Do you know how to use a smartphone and applications in general? And are you willing to spend 5 to 20 minutes per listing and work with an equipment specialist, that might be you, to sell your equipment to a private network of buyers that have said, I want to buy that kind of equipment? So here's our value proposition. Everything that you see here has been designed by equipment people for equipment people, and it organizes the field captured data perfectly from the app to the showroom. It automatically organizes the entire campaign with private buyers and sellers. It builds custom email and text messages to marketing lists of these qualified targeted buyers that have said that they will settle immediately and pay top dollar. And this will be done with complete privacy and protection of your contacts and your databases. There's a seamless settlement of deals and 100% transparency in everything. So here's how it works. You'll download the app. You'll generate a unique link, which is either going to be sent to you or your event manager. You go ahead and create sales events by the asset type. You notify buyer groups immediately once the event is created. You manage leads, quotes, and deals using the mobile application and the desktop solution. You can request deal type, financing, and settlement immediately, and you can manage commissions and payouts for the event managers that you're working with, and more importantly, provide constant feedback about what you like and don't like. We're always evolving the product. You'll download the application directly from the App Store. You'll be able to then create your listings and inspection reports. The condition reports are rendered automatically. You'll have a custom listing dashboard to manage all of your listings. You'll have optimized product showrooms that take the data from the application and automatically populate this so there's limited data entry. You'll have an event that's queued up and ready to go, and contact forms which are sent directly to you or your assigned event manager. And then the marketing kicks in, and we'll send all of the event details out to private buyers and sellers, or buyers that want to go ahead and pay top dollar. All this is done via professional email marketing campaigns. And if you have more questions, visit the additional or the resources section on the Equipment FX site and download one of these guides that sort of walks you through the entire process. And if you have any questions, contact information is there directly for you. You can visit me online and let me know with any questions. Thanks so much for your time.